Puligahoy. Saan nga sa Puligahoy? Anong barangay?
Ilalim ng ilaw.
Hindi ko po matandaan. Patagal natin ang assessment ng lupa dyan. Saan? Sa Barangay Silang. I will submit the document, Your Honor. Padaling mo lupa. Para hindi mo malaman yung bentahan yun. Tell me, honestly, may bentahan ng lupa, wala? Meron, Your Honor. Representative lang po ako, Your Honor. Representative ka lang? O saan pa paano transfer ng 60.7 million? Meron sa Y2. Hindi po, yes to help. Hindi po transfer, Your Honor. Money just check. Wala pong yes
Hindi
to
naman
help.
naalala, Your Honor.
Pero meron naman ng lupa, Your Honor. Anong CSR po restaurant? Wala akong CSR restaurant. Yes to help, Your Honor. So paano wala pang restaurant siya? Wala, I didn't even mention that it is a restaurant. How did you know that it is a restaurant? No, Your Honor, I said, how did you know
Ano ba
that it is a restaurant? I didn't even mention it. I said yes. You said yes, Your Honor. Yes to help. Paano wala pang restaurant? Wala po pinapakita ng restaurant, Your Honor. Oh, yes to help. Okay. Alright. Submit to us. Yes, Your Honor. I will submit the document, Your Honor. Yes, Mounting all documents, Your Honor. Thank you so much. Mr. Chongan, thank you so much. Thank you, Congressman Fernandez. The next to interpolate is Congresswoman Jinky Luistro.
Mr. Chair, may I request for the presence of Ms. Cassandra Ong?
I think she just went to the comfort room. In the meantime, if you wish to direct questions to any of our resource persons, you may do so.
My questions, Mr. Chair, are pertaining to her, although the same will be addressed to the other resource speakers. I want her to witness how these people are testifying about her participation and connection to all these
Okay.
companies.
So we'll give her 1 minute. So while waiting for Ms. Casiong, ako may tanong lang ako you're the executive assistant of Mr. Attorney Harry Roque, Mr. De La Serna.
Yes po.
Dalawang salita pa mapanood.
Ilang taon ka naging executive
Paano
assistant
ka pang loob ka?
ni Attorney Harry Roque?
I was an executive assistant to the office of the presidential spokesperson from January of 2021 to November 15 of 2021 po, Mr. Chair.
So 2020 to
Dali mo ito
2021.
tayo rin. Makulis na kami.
Po, Your Honor. Mr. Chair, January of
Nakawat tayo, amo
2021 until November 15 of 2021 po.
Ano ba?
So January 2021 up to November of 2021, wala pang isang taon.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, did you apply for that position? Ano position mo sa office ni spokesman Attorney Harry Roque?
I was an executive assistant to the office of the presidential spokesperson po, Mr. Chair.
And what do you exactly do?
Hindi,
Sa
gusto nito.
office of Attorney Harry
Alit
Roque?
isa ka bakit ng
Po
Jollibee.
as social media, ako po nag-handle ng SOCMED po ni Attorney Roque po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, yung mga item na executive assistant ay item under the office of the spokesperson.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
So, anong salary grade yan?
I'm not sure if this is salary 17 or
Tigwang.
20 po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, sige,
Isda.
salamat.
Order sila.
Yung mga
Sa ano? Panita ko sa mga
sinasabi
bata
ni
kay
Attorney
Juan.
Harry Roque that
Jump
being
street.
his executive assistant,
Ano gusto
ikaw ang mga kasama niya sa
Kaya nang
travels.
sinabot ng kaon.
Kasi nga is diabetic ba? Tama ba ako doon?
Ang dami pong sakit, Mr. Chair.
Okay, and nurse ka ba?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
So, meron ka bang background sa medicine?
No po, Mr. Chair.
Ilan kayo executive assistant sa office ni Attorney Harry Roque?
Alam ko po, madami po siyang staff po, but the EA post is until EA 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 po.
And you are EA?
EA 3 po ako, Mr. Chair.
EA3?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, so yung EA1, EA2, sinasama rin ba ni Attorney Harry Roque sa travels abroad?
EA, based on my knowledge, Mr. Chair, yung nakabiyahe lang po na EA is EA3, ako po yun, EA2, and the EA5 po.
Okay,
EA4 din po pala, Mr. Chair.
EA1, 2, 3, and 4.
No po, Mr. Chair. 2, 3, 4, 5 po, Mr. Chair.
2, 3, 4, and 5. EA. Ang daming EA pala, no? Ng office ng spokesperson.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, and your job description ay you handle the social media of the spokesperson as well as his travel companion. Kasama ba yun sa job description mo?
Ano ba?
Nung nag-start
Hanapin mo sa kamay.
po, Mr. Chair, there was no post in Malacanang. So I first handled his social media po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, salamat sa sagot mo. Alam mo rin ba na it seems kasi na you're very, very close to Attorney Harry Roque, tama?
Yes po,
Can
Mr.
you
Chair.
say that among all the executive assistants, ikaw ang closest to Attorney Harry Roque?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Is that the reason kung bakit ginawa ka niyang incorporator sa isang kumpanya niya?
Mr. Chair, to my knowledge on that po, Mr. Chair, it was Attorney Val po na nagpasign po sa akin that time kasi kailangan po nila nang mag-complete po sa corporation po nila.
Sige. Sige, we will ask you questions again later. Now that Ms. Cassie Ong is here, I now recognize Congresswoman Luistro.
Mr. Chair, I wish to invite the attention of sa'yo at sinunod mo.
Aside from signing documents po, Madam Chair.
What else, Ms. Paterna? Ano ba ang mga iniuutos sa'yo ni Cassandra Ong bilang boss mo?
Documents po, tsaka po sa cheque po.
Documents and checks. Na kaninong pangalan yung mga cheque?
Meron po akong nakapangalan sa akin, Madam Chair.
And what do you do with those checks which are in your name? Anong ginagawa mo doon sa mga checking nasa pangalan mo?
Minsan po nag-uutos po siya, halimbawa, mag-issue ka ng, halimbawa po, 10 pieces worth of like 15,000, ganun po. Tapos sinusunod ko po.
In other words, Ms. Paterna, ikaw ay taga-issue at taga-perma lamang. Tama ba?
Tama po, Madam Chair.
Pagkaka-issue at pagkaka-perma mo, ibinibigay mo na kay Cassandra Ong at si Cassandra Ong na ang bahala kung anong gagamitin niya sa cheque. Tama ba?
Yes po, Madam Chair.
I remember you committed last time to execute a waiver para sa iyong bank accounts. You're giving the committee the authority to see all information about your bank accounts. Do you confirm?
Yes po, Madam Chair.
Have you executed that waiver, Ms. Paterna?
Yes po.
May we know from the COMSEC if we have requested information already from the banks?
Comsec?
Your Honors, Mr. Chair, just this morning the witness took the oath, and so we have not yet asked details from the bank. It was just this morning that her waiver was notarized by the public attorney.
And with that waiver, Ms. Paterna, we will be able to find out, tama ba? Sino ang pinagbigyan, binayaran ng mga cheque ni Cassandra Ong, tama?
Tama po, Madam Chair.
Maraming salamat, Ms. Paterna. May I proceed to Ms. Mascareñas? Ms. Mascareñas, do you know Cassandra Leong?
Yes po.
Why do you know her?
Kasama ko po siya sa office.
Who is she in your office?
Kasi
Boss mo ba siya o ikaw ang boss niya?
parang same lang na kami ng position.
Parehas lang kayo. So what does she do in your office?
Nung una po kasi, nung na-interview mo na siya, doon ko siya first time na nakita. Tapos hanggang sa pumasok na siya, although hindi ko na po matandaan kung kailan, pero most definitely nauna po ako sa kanya. Tapos, ang alam ko, parang personal translator siya ni Mr. Wu. Tapos lagi siya kasama sa mga meetings. Tapos, till such time na siya na rin pinag-deal sa lahat ng mga kung sino dapat kausapin. And, yung mga papers, kinuha na rin po niya before ako tanggalin nung December.
Let's discuss it one by one, Ms. Mascareñas.
Okay.
You first mentioned personal translator, tama?
Yes po, yun po yung alam ko.
Second is
Yung pong kasama siya palagi ng boss.
constant companion ni Mr. Wu.
Yes po.
What else?
Nag-take over po ng mga application ng documents.
She took over of the application of the companies.
Yes po.
With which office? Saang opisina?
Nakalagay po kasi kami sa Dragon World System Office sa Prince Hotel. Pero yung mga tinatransact po na documents is yung Whirlwind and Lucky South. Although, personally po, alam ko, hindi ako nag-sign kasi, I mean, na-sign ko yung papers ng application ng Lucky South, pero wala po ako nung siya notarize. Not present po kasi sa pagkakatanda ko, na-notarize po siya sa Bamban. Never po ako nagpunta sa Bamban para mag-pirma.
So you mentioned Ms. Mascareñas. First is personal translator. Second is constant companion.
Yes,
Third, she took over of all the application documents of Lucky South and Whirlwind.
Yes.
And if my memory serves me right, the fourth one that you said, he deals and meets
Yes.
with the people concerning Lucky South and Whirlwind. Do you confirm this?
Yes po. Yes.
Aside from these four, do you recall any other thing that she does during the time that you were still with those companies? How about the payment of salaries?
Ako po yung, kinukuha ko lang po yun sa manager. Tapos, normally po bibigyan na lang yung salary sa akin. Iabot ko lang siya dun sa kasama ko sa office. Pero sa ibang staff, and kitchen staff, ibang staff, sila na po yung nagbibigay.
You mentioned earlier about Mr. Wu.
Yes po.
Who is Mr. Wu?
Big boss po.
Boss. When you say boss, does it mean all of you receive orders from him, Mr. Wu?
Sa Mr. Wu po kasi hindi naman siya lahat nagde-direct ng order. So, pili lang.
So from whom do you receive order, Ms. Mascareñas?
Mr. Wu po.
Mr. Wu.
Yes,
How about the other employees in the company? From whom do they receive orders?
Managers po, mga Chinese managers.
Chinese managers. Among the Filipinos who are there and below the level of Mr. Wu and the managers Chinese, sino sa inyo ang pinakatanungin at nagde-decide about the operation of Lucky South and Whirlwind?
Kasi po nung nandun ako, wala pa pong operation. I think nag-start siya around 2020 based sa mga naririnig ko po dito sa hearing. As far as I'm concerned, hindi ko po sure ha. Ang ano po, sila lang nag-usap.
What do you mean sila?
Si Mr. Wu po, and Cassie, and Chinese manager.
By Cassie, are you referring to Cassandra Ong?
Yes po.
Given the fact na personal translator, constant companion, he took over of all the documents, and he meets with the contracting parties of these companies. Would you agree with me if I would say, malaki ang kinalaman ni Cassie Ong sa lahat ng activities ng mga companies na ito?
Yes po.
I said yes.
Yes po. Siya po yung palagi kasama eh.
Thank you. May I proceed to Mr. De La Serna? I remember you testified before. I just don't know if it is before this committee or before the Senate. Tumira ka sa Lucky South. Do you confirm?
Yes po, Your Honor. Good evening po.
Can you enlighten us again? Bakit ka doon tumira sa Lucky South?
Pakiulit po, Your Honor.
Nabuang na.
You stayed, you
Buwan
lived,
ka?
you resided in the premises of Lucky South.
Yes, Your Honor. I live in the property because I am currently a student pilot in the aviation school in Clark po, Your Honor.
You were a student of aviation.
An aviation school, kahit ngayon po, Your Honor, I'm currently a student in an aviation school in Pampanga.
But during the time that you were still living in Lucky South, bakit ka tumira doon?
Doon kasi yung kubo eh.
Because I am studying in a aviation school in Pampanga po, Your
I
Honor.
see. You lived inside the premises of Lucky South because you were studying aviation in Pampanga.
Yes po, I'm currently a student pilot po in
Please
Pampanga.
limit your answer to the questions.
Yes
Now,
po.
Mr. De La Serna, can you tell us the inclusive date when you were living inside the premises of Lucky South? Kailan ka nag-umpisa at kailan natapos yung pagtira mo sa Lucky South?
To my knowledge po, Your Honor, ng first ko pong dating sa property po was on... Can I check my calendar po, Your Honor?
Ay, di wow.
Just the approximate date, Mr. De La Serna.
Around November po first na pagdating.
November, that is 2000?
2023 po, last year po, Your Honor.
November 2023 until?
Andun po yung gamit ko until now po, Your Honor.
Until now, until the raid.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Mabuti, hindi ka nasama sa raid.
Andun na po yung mga gamit ko, Your Honor, but meron na po nakitang room for rent in Pampanga.
Are you trying to tell us na nung nag-conduct ng raid, hindi ka na nakatira doon sa Lucky South?
Yes po, Your Honor, pero andun po yung iba pong gamit po.
So, saan ka nakatira nung nagkaroon ng raid sa Lucky South?
I rent a place po near my school na po, Your Honor.
In other words, kaya ka wala doon sa lugar during the raid dahil ibang lugar na ang tinitirahan mo, tama?
Yes po, Your Honor.
And can you please tell us, are you paying for the lodging in Lucky South?
No po, Your Honor.
So you were staying in Lucky South for free, tama?
No po, Your Honor.
And how far is Lucky South from your aviation school?
10 to 15 minutes po, Your Honor.
10 to 15 minutes, so it is close, tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
And who allowed you to live inside Lucky South?
Ang kinakausap ko is Ma'am Cassandra Leong po, Your Honor.
Which means, Mr. De La Serna, kapag may titirang mga tao sa Lucky South, it is kasi Ongko decides.
Yun ang hindi ko po. In my case po, Your Honor, siya po yung kausap ko.
Aside from you, may iba pa bang nakikitira doon sa Lucky South?
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor.
But based on your daily observation, syempre doon ka nakatira, umuwi ka doon, umaalis ka doon, that is your daily routine.
Yes,
Wala ka
ma'am.
bang ibang nakikita o napapansin na nakatira other than you?
Nakastay ako sa lodging houses ng employees nila, Your Honor. So, may nakikita naman po akong tao, Your Honor.
Are you an employee of Lucky South?
No po, Your Honor.
So do you confirm na ikaw ang nag-iisang pinatira na hindi naman empleyado ng Lucky South?
Sana all.
I can only confirm na nag-stay po ako doon, Your Honor. Pero if may iba pong nag-stay doon, I cannot confirm po.
But at least you can confirm, wala ka ng ibang kilala na hindi empleyado na pinatira doon sa Lucky South. Tama?
Yes po, Your Honor.
What is so special about you?
Uy,
Bakit
wapo
ka
siya.
pinatira doon ng Lucky South?
I was properly introduced by my previous employer po, Attorney Roque po, Your Honor.
And who is Attorney Roque to Cassandra Ong?
Ang alam ko po, Your Honor, he handles the ejection case of Whirlwind Corporation po.
He handles the case for ejection.
Yes po.